Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can verify your LinkedIn. Alright, this is quite simple. The first step that you need to do is go to the left knee top to your profile picture and then from here click on your own profile picture again. Here is the option where it says Add Verification Badge. Please click on this. To get verified on LinkedIn, you need to verify it with your personal ID or with your personal card. So right now we need to do verify with Persona, and then right now he will show us this. Now let's agree with the terms and then do accept and continue. Oh, sorry, both are necessary, so tap on both and do accept and continue. Then right here we need to select the information that they need. Now I'm from the Netherlands, so I search for Netherlands and then we do continue. Right now, do you see the symbol of the front of your back of your ID? Yes, we are seeing this on our own ID. Then we do yes, continue. And then you need to select the ID type that you want to verify with. Now let's say I want to verify with my passport. Then now we need to make a picture. Now allow camera access to LinkedIn. And right now we need to select this piece of our ID. I can do that right now because my ID is a lot of personal information. So I'm not allowed to show you that, guys. But please follow these things that they are telling you. And after this, LinkedIn will check your ID. If you are the right person to verify your account, and after that you verified your account. So from here you need to do this by yourself, and hopefully if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.